Welcome to How to Warm Up Your 3DS. There'll be a few simple steps in order to warm it up, and this might be good in case your 3DS makes a popping sound when you try to turn it on, which happens to me frequently. So if you want to have a better way to get the 3DS to working, all you have to do is warm it up and it works somehow. So first step, you need some bread. Any type of bread is good as long as it can fit in a toaster. You need a 3DS that potentially has a popping sound, or you just want to warm it up because you're stupid and want to mess up with your 3DS. You need a toaster. Any kind of toaster will be good as long as it works. And you also need a plug insertion thing, plug socket. Yeah, that's what we call it. So first we're going to plug it in properly. Turn it on, then let's grab our piece of bread, put it in the toaster, it's broken. What? Yeah, I think. But it's on. What the heck's going on? Alright. I'll fix this in a bit. It turns out I didn't manage to get in the plug properly, so try this again. There you go. Now, once you've done that, hover your 3DS over, and then it should warm up. I know you want to burn toast, but do this for a couple of minutes, or even a minute at the minimum, and then it should be able to warm up, and then you should be able to go in it. So I'll wait a minute. Yep, the 3DS is now warmed up, and now we're going to test to see if it works. Alright, it does work, just give it a couple of tries and it should come on. So, don't judge me, it will work. No, it will work. This is not a joke, this will work. Right, I'm going to warm it up for a then. Here we are, I've just taken out the toaster. Hang on, wait a sec. There we are! It's on! The 3DS is intact. Everything's working. The toaster's still on. So, this is a good way to get your 3DS on and also have a piece of toast while playing. Look, it's the best method ever. And trust me, it does work. Please don't stick the 3DS inside the toaster because you'll probably kill yourself or get an electric shock. All you have to do is hover it over the toast while it's toasting and it should work. And as you can see here, it is working. And because of making this video, I can now record a video of my 3DS. So look forward to that tomorrow. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I know it wasn't the most efficient method, but it definitely works. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to show you an example of what we've just done. Moving to the next video tape thing. And there you have it. You can now watch Shrek, eat toast, and play on your 3DS thanks to the ultimate toasting method. Thanks for watching, and I will be uploading